We're coming up here to let the chickens out this afternoon. How's it going? Come on. We have to bust up their water. It freezes down in that little bottom part. Here's a piece of it. Oh, we got a green one. I love the green ones.
Cooking like Granny.
The kids, it's actually Friday night, which is normally their pizza night. They still want their pizzas.
But not us.
Yeah, we're going with pork chops, collard greens, and what you want. We got, let me find what I got down here. Pintos. Yeah, we'll go pintos. Since they don't want the pork chops with us, we'll just wrap up the rest of those, seal that up. I might just go ahead and make the rest of those pork chops.
Which pizza to make first?
Yeah, which one do you want me to put in first? We got 2 pepperonis and a supreme.
Pepperoni.
This one? Okay. Yeah. I'm just putting salt and pepper on the pork chops. Simple, but good. Gotta fix the pepperonis. Would y'all pick this or this? Both are good.
I really don't know. I like both.
You like both?
Yes.
You want 2 pieces?
Yeah. I'm ready to go in my big gray socks.
Sausage, grits, and eggs is what's for breakfast this morning. I've got 4 cups of water in there. We put 1 cup of grits. So we'll just bring this to a boil, then I'll turn it down to medium. And we just let them cook for about, usually about 10 to 12 minutes or so. Dollar General now. We got to go in here and get a few things, and we're going to check out what they have for Valentine's Day and see what other new stuff they have. Where did I just put that key? In my pocket?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, you found a penny?
Yeah.
It's been a while since we've been to this one.
Yeah. We've only been to ours.
They've got some Valentine's candy. Look at these farm fresh cups. Those are cute. Oh, they're only $1. Blue ones too. They have these mugs, one with the cow, pig, and chicken, and then this one with the chicken. That's pretty. Oh, it's got boots on. That's adorable. These are $3. These are cute. We've got a cow that says family, pig that says home, chicken that says love. Those are cute too. Oh look, they have the chicken on a stool with the boots. They also have plain green ones, but that one with the chicken and the boots, that's cute. And then what is this? Oh, it's like a little shell. That's pretty. This is a cow with the green flowers, and they have a pig with blue flowers. That's really cute. How much are these? $5. More Valentine candy over here. They've got some storage containers. Oh, that's a pretty design on top of that. How much is that? $4? Here's a 5-piece set of the storage containers for $20. I wanted to see if they had any more of the Simply Southern stuff in here. I forgot what they called it, but it's, you know, some of the Simply Southern stuff that they carry here in Dollar General. I don't see any so far. I thought this was something of it, but it's not. They've got some crafts over here. There's a puzzle you can color.
Oh yeah, cute.
Valentine's tic-tac-toe. Socks. There's a little monkey in a bag. Sweet Valentine. These are $1. Doggone cute. Hey monkey. Some big heart mugs. Some with the bows. And then they have these. These are glass. They're $3. This one has the balloon dogs.
Oh yeah.
With hearts. That's cute. These are pretty. $6 for those. And they've got some garland. Kitchen towels. $5 for 2 of them. Some stuffies and some throw blankets. There's one with the cherries on it. It's not looking like we're gonna get snow this time, unfortunately. But it does look like we'll be getting some in the next week or week and a half. So, does everybody still have their stocking caps? Home sale event dinnerware is buy one, get one free mix and match. So it includes dinner plates, salad plates, bowls, and mugs. They have lots of nice journals and notebooks and
I want to get a
things
journal.
like that. You want a journal?
Ah, here's one.
I found I needed a red paint marker because I got a little cow thing that has pink hearts on it and I want the hearts to be red. This is only $1. I'm going to try it and see if it works. I always like to check out the dollar deals. Sometimes you can find good stuff. There's some Jergens moisturizing hand wash for $1. That's a pretty good size bottle. Lavender essential oil. Here's some of these little spray sanitizers. I like these spray ones. This one is dragon fruit. And the green one is jasmine shade, and I just fought with those trying to tell y'all that scent, and it's organized here. Anyway, there they are. Oh look, they have an avocado slicer for $1. Pumpkin spice body wash. This is a pretty good deal. $1 for 2 of these Jergens soaps. It's the coconut scent. They also have White Rain. I've never seen White Rain soap. I've seen shampoo, but not soap.
That's mine.
They also have some dollar things of laundry detergent. I mean, I've never tried this kind, so it could be like a rash involved or something. But they do have extra down there. We have used extra before. Brillo Basics soap pads. 8 of them. They're the small size, but that's still a good deal for $1. And then they have these. These are kind of like a copycat of the Method dish soap. This one is pink grapefruit, and this one is ocean mist. They've got sponges that are $1. Here's a 2-pack for $1. So it's a good place to get sponges if you need those. Smart eraser. I guess that's going to be kind of like a magic eraser, but they have magic erasers. Look, somebody picked these up and decided not to get these and got that instead, I bet. They have magic erasers, one for $1 down there at the other end of the aisle. So these are stick-on air fresheners. 2 of them for $1. This is some multi-purpose cleaning paste. It's copying that pink paste stuff. I've never tried it. This is another copycat of Method stuff. Shower cleaner. Fresh
Anybody want to
scent.
see a Smoky Mountain cup?
Oh, is that a Smoky Mountain cup? It glows in the dark.
Ooh.
Okay, y'all, we're back home. This is the little thing I was telling y'all about that has pink hearts on it, and I want to change the hearts to red. I could probably just do it over the hearts, but I'm going to sand them just a little. Oh yeah, I think it's going to look perfect. I'm just going to outline them first with this tip, and then we'll flip it over.
This looks like a dustpan. What is it?
It's like a, I don't really know. I guess it's just a decorative little dustpan. If y'all know what this is, let us know in the comments. We got it at one of the antique stores we go to. It was just $5. Okay, yeah, I like them better red. I thought about putting Love Never Fails on this part, maybe. I think I will. But I'm gonna do it with this tip first, and then I'll go over it with that one so it looks more painted.